today we have passion fruit. I have seen these for a while and never gotten a chance to try them. Today we have two different types.
The spotty boy and the not spotty boy.
Yeah, I haven't figured out what they are. If I can figure it out, I'll put it in the description.
But for now, it's spotty boy and not spotty boy.
And not spotty boy. So, from what we understand, you just cut them open and spoon out the pulp.
Yeah, you just eat it as is soon as I finish.
Oh, interesting.
You can have that one.
That's weird. It's like an egg. Oh wow, that smells really good though. So that's
passion fruit flavored stuff.
It looks like a weird alien egg yolk. But it smells amazing.
It's like a purple egg with fish roe in it, but it smells like tropical.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Wow. Yeah. So I've seen these. I've seen a pile of these shriveled up on store shelves more often than I've seen ones that aren't that. Okay, so that was amazing tasting. There's so little pulp in one. I guess we each had half.
Yeah.
But there's really not a lot in it. So it has a lot of flavor. So I'm looking forward to this one and seeing how they differ. It's weird, they're like puffballs.
Weirding me out. Oh gosh!
Okay, so immediately this one has like bigger seeds.
Seeds and pulp.
Yeah, seeds and pulp. So it's a different take on the weird looking egg. Similar smell.
This one tastes less like melon than the other one.
Interesting. So the first one is the passion fruit taste that I know from things that are passion fruit flavored. This one is slightly different. It's similar enough that you can tell.
Well, like, that one tastes like passion fruit flavored things.
Mm-hmm.
It reminds me of that. And this one reminds me of, like, passion fruit puree.
Mm.
Because it's like...
Yeah. They're both delicious. Wow. So yeah, that's a passion fruit. How would we describe that taste? Because it's floral. It's got a floral taste.
Floral, citrusy, a little melony.
Yeah.
Not as much as this one, though. This one tasted more like
That one was-
cantaloupe to me.
Yeah.
Also, the insides are different. They're weird to look at. This one's just white, and this one
They do
is
look
like
weird.
eyeball.
The insides look weird. It says the speckled one.
Spotty boy, not spotty boy.
The insides are odd looking after the seeds were gone.
Sick.
So I might have to. I have seen these in botanical gardens, and I still hadn't tasted one. So now I know what the hype was about. But that tastes amazing. So that's passion fruit. Very floral, melony, a little bit melony. What about the texture? Because it's just like juice, essentially.
And like the seeds are nice and crunchy. I like the crunchy
Okay.
seeds.
Yeah.
And the pulp isn't slimy like you would assume pulp would be. When
Yeah.
It's attached to seeds.
Yeah.
Like still slimy, but it's not like.
It wasn't.
It's not gross.
It looks like it'll be a gross experience when you see it, but it's not.
Like you open it up and you're like, oh god.
Yeah, I was like, what? But you just spoon it and it was delicious. You get over it real fast.